Hi everyone, I'm Elle, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my birthday bag. And this is a Chanel purchase that I made while I was on vacation, and I'm so excited about this. And I might have to like film this really quickly because I want to use this bag today. And I've had it for about a few weeks now, and I haven't had time to open it, but yes, I am so excited about this. It's my birthday gift to myself this year. And along with this and a few things that I picked up while on vacation, but I'll probably make a separate video about that. But yes, I am so excited about this. This is my first real like actual bag from Chanel. So yeah, let me just get this started. I might have to film this really quickly and come back for kind of like the story about it and everything. And yeah, I am so excited about this. It's like a dream bag of mine. I've always wanted this bag, and yeah, I'm so excited. I probably already put in the title what it is, but maybe I'll leave out the color so it could kind of be a surprise. But yes, so exciting. The packaging is kind of beat up because I put it in my suitcase, but yes, I have always dreamed about getting this, and I feel like I'm rambling a little bit, but I am just so excited. Okay, so here is the bag that it came in, and I'm gonna try to do this on camera because I usually have a hard time with it, but here is the pretty box it came in. It kind of got dinged up in transit over here, but yeah, it came with the camellia sticker and the ribbon. It's so pretty. I always get like, I think that's why it takes me a while to open these things up, because they're so pretty. And I know it's silly, but yes, so pretty. But yes, let me try to take this off. Oh, it's kind of placed on the ribbon. I watched them package this in front of me, and they just do such a nice job. But let me see if I can do it. I'm so excited about this one. I've been saving up for so long because I knew I wanted to get this for myself this year. But let me move the pretty ribbon. I know, I want to rip into it, but I'm just being so careful with it. You can see that it is a classic with this. If you know, like if you watch these types of videos and see this type of, you know that when you see this dust bag, that it's a classic. Oop, you might have seen a peek of it. Oh, I forgot. Here's the receipt that comes in this. Let me just cover everything. Okay. And then under it is the care booklet. And oh, this is the buffing cloth, I think. Yep. So there's that. I'll put that to the side. And here we go. Oh, it's all packaged up. Here she is. Okay, let me I'm gonna try to be really careful with all of this. They packaged it so nicely. so pretty. And then here's the felt that it comes with. Oh, they packaged it so nicely. But yes, this is the medium classic flap in this really, really pretty pink color. There's the front and the back and the bottom. I really inspected this when I was there, and my boyfriend was with me, and he told me he's never seen me like be so particular about a bag, but it's a lot of money for me to be spending. Here's the inside. Ugh, it's just so pretty. And then but yeah, I will tell you a story about it and everything, and how and why I picked this bag over any other bag and all about it. Let's see. Here is the tag that it came with. So this is from 22A, and this is the medium classic flap. There's the color if you guys want it. It's called Rose, I guess. And it is so pretty. I bought this while on vacation in Oahu. I was with my boyfriend, and usually we go every year around my birthday because we have family that lives over there. And I have been talking about getting this bag for so long, and I knew that I wanted it for so long. I originally went there to get the black and the gold because that's kind of what I had in mind this whole time. And my boyfriend was like, why do you want a black bag? Like, you have so many of them. Maybe you want to switch it up. But in my head, I was like, okay, I know for sure that I want a black caviar that's like the grained leather. I knew that I wanted that one for sure, and I wanted like a color, like a really, really dreamy color. And I think after getting that, like a really, really dreamy color and a black one, I think I would be pretty good with Chanel because it's so expensive. So when we went there, and I asked, we went to the one in Ala Moana. This really, really sweet lady helped me out. She told me, you know, she kind of tried to feel out what I was looking for, and I told her that I wanted the black with the gold, and she told me that they didn't have it. And then I asked, and then she said, but we do have other colors. And she noticed that, like, I think at the time my nails were pink, and I think I was wearing pink, and my phone cover is pink, and my Apple Watch strap was pink. And she said, ooh, I think you're a pink girl. Let me show you something really special. And then when she brought out this, I was like, oh my gosh, that's my bag. And my boyfriend was like, yeah, that's your bag. Usually I see like really pale pinks, which, don't get me wrong, is like super pretty, but I think that this darker pink goes a little better with stuff that I wear and with the color of my skin, because I think it complements my skin a little more than those paler pinks that are more like on the yellowy tone type side, like salmon-y colors. So yeah, I am really, really loving this color. And she told me, like, you know, she pointed out to me that, you know, you can always find the black and gold, even though it's a little harder to find nowadays, but that will come out every year. They'll always have it, but they won't always have the colors. I was like, okay, you're right. And I was talking to my boyfriend about how I know for sure that I wanted a black one, and then a colorful, like, classic flap. And he was like, if you're gonna get a color, that is your color. So I knew that if I passed on this, that I would probably not get a chance to get it again because they don't repeat their colors. So yes, I am so happy about this. And I feel pretty proud of myself for being able to get this after so long, because I've always put it on the back burner because I would get distracted by things that don't cost as much. And then with the price increases, I don't know, I feel really uncomfortable spending that much money on one item. But you know, I was talking to my boyfriend about it and he was saying like, it's only gonna get more expensive and you should just go and get what you want. And that's what I should have done from the beginning when I knew that I wanted this, because I wanted this forever. Before I even like knew before I could really wrap my head around if I could ever afford any of this stuff or anything like that. And you know, I was just having such a good time. We were there for my birthday and everything just aligned so perfectly, and I loved that I went in there kind of having an idea but not knowing exactly what I wanted. And when she showed me this, she was like, it just felt like all this, oop, I hit my tripod. It just felt like all the stars aligned. But yeah, I'm babbling now. Yes, this is my new birthday bag. I got a few more things while I was there, but I think I'll do a separate video about that because I have some plans right now and I'll probably film that a little later. But yes, this is my birthday bag. It's so pretty. I'll try to see if I can add some footage of it in different lighting, because right now this is like natural lighting indoors, but I'll try to remember to film it like outside in the natural light or like in different lighting. But yes, I'm so excited about her. What else? I think I touched all the points that I wanted. I knew that I wanted for something so expensive, even though like the lambskin bags are so pretty. She was showing me a bunch of them. They feel so nice and they look like so luxurious, you know. But I knew that, like, knowing me and the practical side of me, I wanted something that I wouldn't like super baby, because I know that some bags I really baby, and I know that I'm going to be really careful with this one, but I didn't want it to like, you know, give me a heart attack all the time. But yes, I'm so excited about this. But yeah, thanks guys, bye.